Demolition continues as various additions off the back of the house are getting torn away, but we're also starting to do framing for some of the new stuff, Matt. This one's ready to come out?
Ready to come out.
All right, I'll give it, you guys tell me. Oh yeah. You got?
Yep, lean it down nice and easy. Keep coming, send it to the kid. Lester, come around this side. Kid, keep lowering it down. There you go. Right. Off this way to the side.
We got a couple here that gotta
use the leverage. Go that way.
There you go.
It is.
All right. So what is the plan for today, Matt? What are we building? And why did this come out here?
Well, with all the demolition happening, we're now ready to remove what was Susan's exterior wall.
Yeah.
And her space is gonna get a little bit smaller. So we're gonna have to bring a new wall in. This will become a partition wall that'll separate Susan's unit from the mudroom entrance that Evan and Whitney are gonna have coming in from the driveway side through their mudroom and into their residence. So we wanna set this up now to make sure that we can separate the outdoors from the indoors. We'll build this partition wall, plywood the interior side of it so we have good nailers for the kitchen cabinetry or anything that'll go on after. And it's just about prepping it to set it up from the elements.
And so if this is just gonna be a partition wall, why not come to the existing wall? Why did you cut away the exterior wall?
Well, we had a window here, so it was gonna be kind of hard to join everything together, and this will have to get amended. Right now, we're gonna leave this window in place. That'll allow Susan to have a little bit of extra ventilation and light in this room, because you can see there's no other window in here right now.
Yep.
So we're gonna leave this for now. Join everything up right here at the end. This will allow us to replumb the end of this corner and marry up the rest of this wall. When this window comes out, it'll give us a straight, clean line that we can frame up to.
You guys ready to frame?
We're ready to go.
All right, let's get to it. I'll give you a hand. So that's center of what, Paul?
This is gonna be the center of our hallway coming in. So I'm getting ready, look right here. So I'm getting ready to do the framing for this doorway to come in, getting a couple partition.
So just a rough opening for the doorway now?
Just a rough opening for the doorway to be installed later.
And then lay out for the studs?
Absolutely, lay out for the studs.
Sheathing it now, Paul, huh?
Yes.
And right over the doorway?
Yep, right over the doorway.
Right over the doorway.
Bad.
All right. So, Kevin, you see that we got this plywood on now to be able to make our exterior wall for the time being during construction, but this will obviously become an interior wall for the kitchen. So we got a little bit more amending to make to kind of block everything off, make sure that, you know, the weather's not getting inside here, but this is pretty much it. Once we get the drywall, we'll cut the hole in the hallway opening where the door is going to be here, blend the drywall through, and then reseal it with some plastic after the drywall is done, and make sure we're, again, mediating, you know, air particles, things moving around in Susan's area.
Well, it feels good to do a little bit of construction amongst all the demolition. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.